Yeah, good morning YouTube, Corolla guys and gals. I'm talking about the body kit, the Corolla body kit today. So yeah, as you can see on the video, YouTube, this is the Corolla Corolla G Corolla or Corolla E12 Runx Allex fitment. The grills and the front leaves, here. So yeah, this is the grills, mesh grill here, and this is called the mesh grill, and this is called the front leaves. So yeah, wow, such a nice product, man. This is original, made in Japan, the original front leaves with the part number original, the plastic, very lightweight, export quality, wonderful quality. So very light and soft. So yeah, this is I love the product so much actually. So yeah, this is the mesh grill, and this is the front leaves. Very good. Well, so that's very good product. And who is these guys? Oh yeah, this is my nice product. And this is the front side, this is the back side. From top, mesh grill and front leaves, and yeah, with all the mounting gold point here. Very good, very nice. I love the product so much. Wow, nice. This is nice. So that's very good. Well, gentlemen, the video is ending soon. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time, Corolla guys and gals, car guys. I'll be back with my next product soon, man. Tada, bye. Thanks for today. Thanks for your time.